In this video, I show you the 360-degree audio capability by using the ZCAM S1 camera. I am in front of you, so you listen my voice in the middle. If you look in this direction, now I am on your right side and you can hear my voice on your right ear. Now look in my direction and then look in that direction. Now I am on your left side on the video and you can hear my voice on the left side. By using the VR capture by Arcamis and the S1 camera built-in microphone, we enable the 360-degree audio capability, and now you can have a full immersive audio sound by using only the camera and the Arcamis software.